Hello students. Today in this video we shall discuss about the image formation by concave lens. In my previous videos I have discussed about how the ray diagrams are to be drawn for concave and convex lens. So we shall use those concepts and draw the ray diagrams for different possibilities. This diagram given here shows a concave lens with the principal axis drawn which passes through the optical center. The object is located at infinity, thus we have two parallel rays shown in the diagram which are coming straight and is incident on the lens. When such rays parallel to principal axis fall on the concave lens, it diverges. Thus we see the two light rays which are moving away from each other after refraction, and when we extend it, it appears to be coming from the point F1, which is the principal focus. Thus we see the image will be formed at the position F1, which is virtual, erect and highly diminished. This is the ray diagram for the object located at infinity. But what happens when we place the object just in front of the lens? Let us see how to draw the diagram for that. The object placed in front of concave lens. Here we have placed AB, the object, on the principal axis. Now to draw the ray diagram we need to draw two rays. So the first ray we draw from A, moving parallel to principal axis and falling on the lens. This ray after refraction will move away, so the refracted ray is shown, and we have to extend the ray in the backward direction to meet the focus F1. The second ray that we take is the one passing through the optical center. Now we know that the ray that is passing through optical center goes undeviated. Thus this ray AO goes straight. The point A dash where the two rays meet after refraction gives the position of the image. Thus we see we have the image A dash B dash formed, which is smaller in size. Also this image form here is virtual and erect. So these are the characteristics of the image formed by a concave lens. There are only two possibilities. Let us see how we summarize it. When we place the object at infinity, the image is formed at focus. It is a point size image but virtual and erect. The second possibility is when we place the object in front of the lens, the image is formed between optical center and the principal focus but on the same side of the lens. Thus we say the image is virtual and erect but highly diminished. So these are the two cases for concave lens. Understand and make sure that you do not mix up with concave lens and concave mirror. Lens and mirror are two different objects. A lens works on the phenomena of refraction of light, whereas mirror works on the principle of reflection of light. To make the things clear and distinct, I shall post the link of my video for image formation by concave mirror here with this video. So you can compare and understand the basics of how the images are formed in case of a lens and a mirror. Thank you for watching. Happy learning.